Welcome to Wisnio's comprehensive guide to successfully onboarding your new hires. Let's dive in. Onboarding is a critical step in integrating new team members and setting them up for success. Wisnio provides valuable insights and data to help ensure a seamless transition into their roles, while fostering strong connections within the team. To access the necessary onboarding data, the hiring team must first set up their profiles to create the team profile. Once the hiring process is complete, the selected candidate should be onboarded to assess how their addition impacts the team dynamic. For effective onboarding, it's essential to focus on the new hire's profile in comparison to the existing team. With Wisnio's team data, you can gain insights into the current strengths within your team and the unique contributions your new hire brings, key characteristics of each team member, including preferred communication styles and interaction preferences, the team's culture, core drivers, and how these align with the new hire's values, your new hire's core strengths and areas for development. Before diving into the team profile, ensure your new hire fully understands the key objectives of their role, as these are vital in shaping their understanding of their responsibilities. As you review the team data, keep these objectives in mind to identify any gaps or opportunities where their strengths can be leveraged. Start by opening the new team member profile in the team setting and reviewing the values map, which is based on Schwartz's theory of universal values. This map provides a clear view of the team's culture and helps your new hire understand how their personal values align with the team's core principles. It's important to discuss any potential areas of misalignment and address them proactively to prevent future conflicts. Additionally, explore what motivates your new hire and discuss how the team can create an environment that nurtures those motivations. Use WisGPT, your AI assistant, to speed up the analysis by asking questions like, considering the values data, what potential value conflicts could arise between this person and the team? What type of team culture would this person find most motivating? Next, explore the personalities map, based on the Big Five personality model. This framework provides a deep dive into your team members' dynamics and how members interact with one another. It highlights the strengths your new hire brings and offers insights into how their personality traits can enhance team cohesion. Engage in a discussion about how their traits contribute to team diversity, and offer guidance on managing relationships with colleagues who may have different personality profiles. You could ask WisGPT, considering the personality data, what should this team member be aware of when communicating or working with this team? Your new hire's personality also influences their ability to achieve their role objectives. While they will naturally excel in some areas, they may face challenges where the rest of the team can offer support. You could ask WisGPT, this team member needs to their role objectives. What tasks might they struggle with based on their personality data, and how can the team support them? Finally, review the Leadership Competency Map, which outlines the new hire skills and how they complement the team's existing strengths. Use this map to identify immediate areas where the new hire can contribute, and discuss upcoming projects where their expertise will be particularly valuable. Additionally, look for opportunities for them to learn and grow by collaborating with the team members who possess different areas of expertise. You could ask WisGPT, this team needs to achieve team goals. What strengths does this new team member bring to the table? This team member needs to their role objectives. What competencies should they develop to succeed in this role? By following these steps and utilizing Wisnio's onboarding tools, you'll ensure that your new hires feel confident, motivated, and ready to contribute to your team's ongoing success. Wisnio, AI-powered talent insights for business leaders.